Brianna Finnegan, and I'm a special education teacher at CV-TEC within the autism program. I would love to meet with all of my families for our in-person traditional open house, but instead I've prepared this message for you. I would like to thank all of my parents and families for all of the hard work they put in over the remote instruction. I'd also like to celebrate the fact that all of my students are doing great with their transition back to school. I want to reassure you that although we may have many different challenges than typically, all of your students will have a great year within our program. We have a wonderful classroom team, including Melissa Slagenwaite, Emily Norwood, Heather Shaw, Sierra Smith, Donna Lindsay, and Margaret Christian, as well as our speech provider, Laura Burt-Sissons, and Andrea Martino-Mott, our autism coordinator in BCBA. Some things you should know about our classroom are that we utilize individualized behavior plans for each student. Within academics, we use the ACE curriculum, which is an ABA-based program, as well as the Edmark reading program. We also incorporate daily living skills, vocational work tasks, and also social skills in order to promote independence. During this time, communication is more important than ever, so I will continue to send home daily logs to give you any updates that we may have, and you can reach out to me through those or via email or text message. I want to thank you for everything you've done so far, and thank you for watching this video.